Hassan को visa भिजवाना
English.
and Hassan could marry you with him. Inshallah. You are my baby. After me, sir. You are my baby after me before. May, sir. Okay. And your lipstick is a very beautiful because you want strictly lipstick and not chuping lips, sir. You are so cute. And now you are my sister and you are Allah Ta'ala tanu khush rakhe. And God bless you in your baraka. Please see me your home in Gar. Please see me your home.
Room.
Oh yes. Oh yes. Oh, anak ko resa bulu kata. Anak ka durat mo to. Yes, you are. Oh. Nice room. Your TV is a very special. Huh? And many Muslim in the Pakistan in Equator to working in Equator. Okay. I will become to Kuwait because I want to working hard in Kuwait and want to money and struggling work.
Salamat. Salamat we thank you. Salamat. Shukriya.
Okay, thank you. You are so take Urdu but manu nahi aani.
Wala khabar ho raha. Walang anuman. Walang
anuman.
You're welcome.
He make my friend. He said to Walang anuman is I'm not knowing what is this. He is scared. You're welcome. Okay. तो कब मैं अपना पासपोर्ट वीसा लगावा ते उधर आवा ते जहाज आवा एरोप्लेन to shoot in the Pakistan.
Rajana to.
No flying. America no money in America. My pocket money. I want to set up ID card for me. An ID card and student card and engineering diploma in electrical, but no job in Pakistan. I want to take, but the Kuwait visa is closed, blocked. But why? Kyun?
Oh, Shurushi is open now.
Open now.
Give me a visa. Please give me a visa.
Please, Bobby, to give me a visa. I will Hassan to me to going aeroplane in Pakistan to Kuwait. I very happy to talk with you. Huh? And my mahal kita. That's it, yeah.
I love you. What is this?
What is this mean? Oh, so my heart is not ragging. My heart is very soft, and you are my sister. So I want to join Gupshup in future life.
Okay,
Inshallah, our please. Kadu, matlab today after tomorrow tomorrow you will talk me. Hassan to say to what my friend talking with you.
Primaro.
I am so happy. Because why you I am so happy? Because you are so cute. Your heart is a very cute, soft, and eraser. You are not boring for my talking. You are not angry. You are not sad. Okay, I am very happy because I am happy. Allah,
Thank you so much.
yeah, your package is not enough. Package is not enough. I want to isolate for you. You are, please bring your mirror number. No, I want 200 rupees to your number to package because you are to me ask with me. You with me. Yeah. Okay. Too much. What? No, that's what. No. I take a mobile and my husband will you come in Kuwait to what? Do one historical gap lesson and gap shop. Then he talk both you. Huh? I'm so happy, but your pitchy. Nah, दीवार को एक है यार. इधर near what is this balu bear? Is a pitchy. Your back side is a bear. Balu in English. Ye kiwi. Oh yes. What is this? Kibibal. Okay, very nice.
Same to you, same you.
Yeah, he's a very both nice. You are, I'm handsome, tini handsome.
Nizek alag kara, zata nizek. Lego to.
Your English Tandi, so your forehead and my forehead is a very blessed and Allah is a very place in your Ganga di Madhi. I'm so happy to talk with you. On to kuch karna kal kar banna.
Kamusta?
You are angry to Ninga.
You are tired.
You are not tired. Hassan say to me, your brain is headache.
You become tired.
You become tired. I say not. He is a very cute and soft, and your heart is a very special. You are not tired. Bagura. Thank you. But my heart is very much biggest to talking with you. Because Pakistani people is a very nice people. Yeah. You are so nice people, female.
That is Saddam Hussein, the agriculture university ki professor, the 17 grade ke us lage dale.
Okay, thank you.
Mentally, daga khali subject khali.
Okay, you are bye.
Aw ji comment share ke aw share.
Okay.
Dear share ke daji mentally professor de. Mentally.